Good day friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own plantain flour. Plantains are a rich source of fiber, vitamins A, C and B6, as well as the minerals magnesium and potassium. This hidden superfood is loaded with antioxidants that are very good for your body. So this is Sonia's Base. Thank you so much for choosing to watch my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you as you do. First, we start by washing our plantains with salt, after which we go ahead and peel off the skin of this plantain, and then we go ahead and slice it up. After slicing, I'm going to go ahead and dry my plantains using this dehydrator. You can also use sunlight to dry your plantains, whichever way is very okay. So I'm going to be drying this plantain for some hours, then after which I will go ahead and blend it up with my blender. As you can see, the plantains are properly dried. That is why it can easily break up when I press it. You can see it is very dry. If you're here with me, you will hear the sound of the plantains when it breaks. So after this, I will just go ahead, put it in the blender and blend. Just make sure that you blend it very smooth into a powder. So this is my plantain flour. So this is what I got after blending it. The color of the plantain remains. It does not go black. It is still the same plantain color that is still there. This is so beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and make my swallow with this beautiful plantain flour. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my water on the pot, go ahead and make my swallow, because I want to have a taste of this beautiful plantain flour. So this is my plantain flour. It was very delicious, very fluffy. What are you waiting for? Why don't you try out this delicious plantain swallow for yourself? Not only is it delicious, it is also very nutritious and healthy, full of potassium, magnesium and antioxidants. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay blessed and have a nice day. Bye.